Hello, welcome back to the next section video of Launch and Effective Builder, the folding can stool 2.1. So let's see how to use this folding can stool. First, when you have to open this stool, you see there is a ring here. Just pull and lock here this place. Push simply, then it's ready for you to see. This can stool's height is 49 cm and it has maximum load capacity is 150 kg or 330 pounds. The seat materials is pure leather. When you have to close this folding can stool, just simply close, then take by your hand, pull, then close the ring in this place. See, it's ready for you to walk. This multifunctional stool can use by stick and also can use chair. For your kind information, you can also adjust freely. Let me show you how. Here, open this one, then adjust the length. After adjust, close. Thank you for watching our video.